Hello everyone. So we are back with another learning which is related again to objects. Since it's JavaScript, so most of the learning is all related to objects. So for example, we have an object, again my PO and eBalloon column 1. So just as one property my PO and it has which is eBalloon 1, right? And for example, now I want this object is to be something like similar to what we have in a BAP as a, we say when a class is final. So in a similar concept, I want this object to be final. I don't want anybody to be able to, let's say for example, not be able to add the new properties or something methods to it. So how do we do it? So basically there is a global object, right, under which you have a method name seal, right, and before that there's a method name is sealed, right? So what it does is, first let's check with whether is sealed, what does it return for our PO. So false, right? Okay, so what is good about it? Let's try to seal it then and see what happens, right? So I say seal my PO. Okay, good, my PO is now sealed and is sealed also returning true. Okay, so now when I now wants to add a new property or attribute to it, let's say bill is equal to 1 is equal to 10, right? Now let's see what has happened. No, it doesn't allow. You see, it is still eBalloon, right? But in case I want to change its value to 2, let's see, does it allow my PO? Yeah. So basically the seal is like it does not allow to add any more properties or methods or something, but it allows you to modify the values, right? Now what if I also want the people to modify also, right? Let there be no field modification as well as new property addition or attribute addition. So what we have is another method which is frozen. So frozen basically kind of it seals also, plus it makes sure that you cannot modify that property. So that's why is frozen returns false, because as of now we can modify that property. Now what if I say object dot freeze, and it has now the object is frozen as well as sealed also, right? So if I say my PO dot eBalloon is equal to 3, right, now it doesn't allow to modify the value also, right? And even it will not allow you to add the new attributes also. Why? Because we have specifically frozen it and we have specifically sealed it. If I just have used frozen, it would have sealed also. That means I cannot add new properties, along with I cannot modify it. Seal is just like you cannot add new properties or methods. Okay, so and there are, before I wind up, there are other few quite usable methods in this, which is one is keys, and this keys is like it returns all the keys or the attributes inside your object. So in this case, our case, it is eBalloon, right? And in case you want to have values, read values, you can use this and it returns the values. And in case you want to return both, you can use this method and it returns in this way. So it's like eBalloon and 2. Okay, I hope it's a small and quick learning, and I hope you make use of it. Thank you.